Hey guys, it's Revu. Hope you guys had a great new year. Kurono Tokyo just came out with a new watch yesterday called the Inseki. It's their first ever meteorite dial. Let's go inside and check it out. Here it is in all its glory, Kurono Tokyo's first ever meteorite dial. As you can see, the dial is definitely the star of the show. The meteorite has a really fine, controlled texture, not overly busy or flashy, but it actually still feels very on brand for Kurono. It's subtle, but once the light hits it, you start to see that natural crystalline pattern come alive. Not all meteorite dials are created equal. Sometimes the natural pattern can be a little bit underwhelming. To avoid that, Hajime Asaoka personally inspected every single dial, selecting only the ones with strong character and well-defined patterns. And as proof of that selection, each watch carries his personal seal directly on the dial. Using pen and paper, Hajime Asaoka drew each of these brigade-style numerals by hand. It adds a subtle human warmth that balances the more rugged meteorite center. The watch feels exactly how you expect from Kurono. The case finishing is clean and restrained, and everything feels very intentional. This isn't a loud meteorite dial. It's more refined, almost understated, which I think a lot of Kurono collectors are going to appreciate. Seen at a distance, it blends effortlessly into any wardrobe, adding a sense of refinement, whether worn smart or casual. It's the kind of watch that complements what you're wearing, rather than competing with it. Damn! This is going to be so popular. You guys definitely want to order one online as soon as possible. There's something quietly poetic about wearing a material that's existed for billions of years just to measure a single day.